a rear bumper for the Caddy, R32 style, which is a new camera for filming YouTube videos. There was no bullshit, it was a straightforward boom. Happy days, let's go. Some street.
Yes, Jack, what you saying?
Yes, brother, you good?
Yeah, I'm all good, my brother.
My guy, bro, you about?
Yeah, I'm about.
I can do some tricks for you, bro, it's no problem. Yeah? No, I'll come around that side. Let's go. Safe, bro. What are you filming for?
Doing a BBC documentary.
Oh, it is BBC.
It's actually about mental health.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
Cool. Jeez. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm making some changes to the Caddy. This is something I wanted to do once I bought it. I've seen a few other Caddies with this little modification and I think it looks sick. So today, it has arrived all the way from Poland. So let's unbox it and I'll show you guys what it is that I'm going to be doing to the Caddy. So it's come all the way from Poland. I can't remember the name of the company that supplied it. I'll find it and I'll drop the link in the description below if it's something you're interested in doing as well. And I'm just having a quick look into it now. Oh man, this looks so sick. So what we've got here is a rear bumper for the Caddy, R32 style. So it comes black. I've got to go and get it a colour match to the rest of the van, which I'm going tomorrow to Paintworks Loughborough. So I'm going to go see those boys, see what they can do with it, and get it colour matched to the rest of the van. So basically, there's your rear bumper. It's got the two cutouts for twin pipes to come out the back. So then I'm going to go and get a custom fitted exhaust to complete the R32 style. So that's an unboxing of the rear bumper, and yeah, I'm stoked. I can't wait to get it on. So I'm going to get it colour coded, like I say, at Paintworks Loughborough, and yeah, that should transform the entire booty of the Caddy. So yeah, stoked. Also, while I've got you here, I've had another delivery, which is a new camera for filming YouTube videos. So I did a bit of research on what camera to get, and a lot of good reviews on this one. So this is the Sony zv-1. So it shoots in 4K, and I've seen a bunch of show reels from other videographers of the content that this camera produces, and it's so tiny and compact. Like this little thing. Oh wow. Yeah, gassed on that. So it's got the flip out screen and it twists so you can see yourself. Oh, it's got, comes with a bit of life in the battery as well. So it shoots in 4K, and yeah, we'll soon get that put to the test in some future YouTube videos. Yeah, buzzing, stoked on that. Comes with a little dead cat, a little fluffy thing for your mic, and a USB cable to charge it, obviously. But yeah, check it out, the Sony zv-1. A lot of other vloggers have raved about it, so I thought I'd jump on it, and that feels solid. And it's compact. I didn't want a bulky camera, so before, when I did YouTube videos, I had a Canon 60D. You had to attach the lens bike, you're looking at about that sort of size and you're carrying it around on a gorilla pod, it's just a pain in the arse. Whereas this is just whack it out and yeah, convenient. So like I say, future YouTube videos will be filmed with this, and hopefully the cinematics and the content will be next level. So buzzing, yeah, let's get it. So there's the R32 bumper. So yeah, absolutely stoked on that. Going to Paintworks Loughborough tomorrow to get that colour coded, and then I'll fit it when I go and get a custom exhaust put on it as well. So I'll probably straight pipe it from the cat back, and then yeah, sweet. Man, the Caddy is going to be looking sick, next level. So yeah, stoked to get that project underway. I'll keep you guys updated along the way. If there's any other little modifications you want to see done to the Caddy, let me know in the comments below, and yeah, we'll get cracking with it. Let's get on it. So, new camera for the YouTube videos, new bumper for the Caddy. Happy days. Let's go. Let's get it. So over there at the end, that's Paintworks Loughborough. They've got some pretty sweet transporters, a couple of Caddies and a few other vehicles in there. So I literally just went over to speak to the guys, said look, I've got an R32 bumper, it needs respraying. And yeah, they were like, sound, we'll just take a picture of your VIN number and get the colour code off that. And come and collect it this time next week. So it's not going to take them that long to do it, but because I work away, it makes coming in a week a bit of a challenge. Well, impossible. So I'll come again this time next week to collect it, and it will be the same colour as the Caddy, and then it's just a case of getting an exhaust to suit it. So I've got a few phone calls to make to sort that out, and then boom, sweet, we're going to have an R32 conversion well on the way. I am stoked. This place is awesome, man. Yeah, definitely recommend. It was no bullshit, it was just straightforward, boom, happy days. Let's go. Right, so I've got an hour to kill. I want to hit up city centre, see if Manny answers, see if he's about. We'll have a link up, Radisson Street.
Yes, Jack, what you saying?
Yes, brother, you good?
Yeah, I'm all good, my brother.
My guy, bro, you about?
Yeah, I'm about. Yeah, I'm down for flat, bro. It's gonna be sick today.
My guy.
I've got a drink spot there, Market Square, the mountain. That's a sick spot.
Yes, we'll hit that, bro, we'll hit that. We'll get some clips on that. I've got my GoPro and that, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right,
bro, it's gonna be sick.
Yeah, man, sweet. Manny, he's always got that big energy, man. Right, let's go ride some street, let's go. How's it going, boy? Hi, guy.
Alright.
How you doing? I ain't seen everyone. No.
Hey, you're coming out. I'm going to need Jackie's phone. I haven't got a bank at the minute, and I'm not meant to be riding my bike. He's like, yeah, you can come out, man. So I might come out for a coffee.
Yeah, in my head it should work.
You got the tech in, mate.
Oh yeah.
Yo, ask them for a fucking camera shots. We'll get you some bad boy pics.
This man's gonna be on BBC, bro. I can do some tricks for you, bro, it's not a problem. Yeah? No, I'll come around that side. What are you filming for?
So I'm doing a doing a BBC documentary.
Oh, it is BBC.
It's actually about mental health.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
Cool.
So we've been filming with the street triage team in Nottingham that go around every night to go to crisis calls and emergencies and stuff. But I'm just trying to get nice shots all around the city.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Scruffy BMX riders in city centre.
Yeah, exactly. Sounds good. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Okay.
So if that's cool, I'll just have some nice shots.
Yeah, let's do some stuff, guys. Can you film in the background, bro? Because it's kind of hard. A GoPro in my face.
Yeah.
Jeez. Right, so we've got a stage for BBC that we're chatting shit.
Yeah.
And how beautiful that building is.
It's very beautiful.
Yeah, you got to do hand gestures so it puts emphasis in.
You know what I mean?
You know, the BBC like to be dramatic and all that stuff, yeah? So, on that note, should we get a tail whip?
Yeah, let's get
My guy, let's go. We're one by right now.
on by.
Cheers!
One by. One by.
How's that?
Nice, mate.
Sweet. Ooh! You kinked it! Yeah! Fuck! Boy! Like someone just turned the tap on. Woo! Yeah, boy! Yeah, it turned off in good time, bro.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, let's get out of here. Oh my god. Yeah.